In any industry involving heavy vehicles and equipment, safety is always a key consideration in the designs of the machines. For example, in the car industry, there is a plethora of safety technology such as blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, speed alert, and more. In the construction industry, similar technology is emerging to prevent accidents from happening. One such technology, IICAS, was the brainchild of compaction equipment specialist Conplant. Recently launched at the National Construction Equipment Convention, the IICAS is similar to a car's emergency braking system, but has been designed for heavy machinery, more specifically rollers and compactors. The IICAS uses several 3D cameras at the front and back of the machine to detect the presence of obstructions in its path.
It's really helpful in high volume workplaces where there are equipment, people and objects, and it prevents collision with those objects. Look at the back of the machine here. Up the top you can see a 3D camera, and you can see a light stack which shows green, orange and red. And green means that you're in the zone which is safe to operate, and then as the 3D camera moves in, or your object moves into zone 2, the yellow light will light, and then finally if you get within 3 meters, which is set up today, the red light will come on and the machine will stop. And if we go to the front of the machine and look up, we've got 2 3D cameras operating there. And the significance of having 2 is as this steel drum is turned, then those cameras follow the drum. So we're always pointing in the direction of the machine. And again, you have the light stack with green, orange and red.
The area of capture of the IICAS camera systems can be made narrower or wider depending on the situation at hand. The IICAS technology was designed with Conplant's compaction equipment in mind, but the company said it can be rolled out to other heavy equipment as well. Although the technology is fully functional, Conplant is still working on a production model based on customer feedback.
We're talking to customers and understanding how they like the system to work, and we're modifying it until we come up with a fully operational system we can put in production.